Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to Daily Options Trade. So today we're looking at US Steel. Hopefully you guys saw my last video where I did a little bit of technical analysis with the signals that I use, technical indicators. So you can see here, there is a subset. I have the stochastic. You can see it's maybe kind of bottoming out. It's hard to say, but it's pretty low. So what we're going to do is we're going to sell a call. 50 cents. Dollars, pretty good. $1.22. I'm going to go just a little bit. Alright, so there we go. Let's see what's probability. 54%. Okay, let's go a little bit higher. Alright, even 25. Alright guys, anyway, go back and watch that last video if you didn't see it on the daily options trade, and check out that other video on technical indicators. Be sure to subscribe to see how this turns out, see if we're onto something here. Let me know if you like the technical indicator video and this follow-up video. It's pretty interesting. Alright guys, thanks for watching.